Enjoy, find time for kindness, and use plastic responsibly.
Hey everyone, Jonah Rose here with a 3D printing creation that can be a real game changer for your home. Introducing the Mason Jar Lid Keeper, a simple yet ingenious solution for anyone who uses jars, whether for your own space or as a creative last-minute gift. For time, it took me about 3 hours to print this larger build. I used a 0.6mm nozzle at 300mm per second with a layer height of about 0.45mm. As for material cost, the filament weight used came in at 217 grams using a 10% infill. The cost, still reasonable, ranges from about $350 all the way to $650, depending on the printer, the configurations, and price of spool, like a $20 versus a $30 spool. This nifty gadget organizes both the rings and seals of your jar lids, keeping workstations, storage, and countertops tidy. It's one of the most practical items I've printed for my own home. The design, sourced from Thingiverse, caters to regular and wide-mouth lids, but you can find or adjust designs for any type. I've experimented with and without scaffolding, adjusting support from 30% down to 15%. This heavily altered the weight and print time. Each attempt had its challenges, but the functionality triumphs, granting that extra bit of organization and space. While simple, this lid keeper is a testament to the ideology of keeping life organized. It offers peace of mind and that precious extra storage space we all need. If you appreciate practical 3D prints like this, please give a thumbs up, drop a comment, and subscribe. I'm excited to continue sharing my 3D printing journey with you all.